Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fill the background color in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, this device, Pia Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and all of the sections. Right here in the center, you're gonna find all of these options, the option to start a new project, open from computer, templates, and here you can install Photopea on your computer. So right now, I'm gonna click on new project. Once you click on new projects, you're gonna find this window. From here, you can choose a name for your project. You can choose the width, the height, and also the DPI. And right here, you can choose a size for your image. So right now, I'm going to go to the screen and then I'm going to choose this size, for example. And once you choose the size, go ahead and click on create. And then the project will be created. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your image. And if you want to add an image, just go ahead and click on File in the top left corner. Once you do that, you're going to be right here. So once here, go ahead and click on Open. And once you click on Open, from here, you can choose any image from your computer. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Once you add the image, you're going to find this right here in Layers. So basically, guys, right here, you can add any layer that you want. So for example, I'm going to add a background. I'm going to click on open again, then choose any background from computer. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So if you want to use this background or any background, make sure to put the layer in the bottom and then select it. And from here, you can select the opacity of the background. You can also select the percentage of the filling. And once you finish, you go ahead and click on File and then click on Save. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.